In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Telehealth in Jane app. By the end, you'll know how to turn on Telehealth, schedule an online appointment, send the link to your client, and run a smooth professional session from start to finish. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and using a supported browser with your camera and microphone ready. First, sign in to your Jane account. If you have multiple roles, confirm you're logged in as a practitioner or an admin with permission to manage telehealth. A quick profile check is helpful here to ensure your time zone and contact details are correct, since those appear in your booking notifications. Next, enable telehealth in settings. Open the settings area and look for the section related to online appointments or telehealth. Turn on the telehealth option and review any preferences such as which services are available online, default appointment durations, and how notifications are sent. If your clinic uses consent forms for virtual care, make sure those are attached to the services that will be offered via telehealth so clients receive them automatically. Now set up your telehealth session. Head to your schedule and create an appointment just like you would for an in-person visit. Choose a service that you've enabled for telehealth, select the client, and pick the date and time. Confirm that the appointment is marked as an online or telehealth session. Jane will generate a unique, secure video link tied to that booking. Send the telehealth link to your client. If automatic notifications are on, the link will be included in the confirmation and reminders. You can also copy the link from the appointment panel and share it through your clinic's approved secure messaging method. It's a good practice to include a brief note reminding clients to test their device, join a few minutes early, and have a quiet, well-lit space. When it's time to start, open the appointment on your schedule and click Start or Join Video. Your browser will prompt you to allow access to your camera and microphone. Choose Allow, do a quick audio and video check, and consider using headphones to reduce echo and maintain privacy. During the session, use the on-screen controls to mute, toggle video, and share your screen if needed for exercises, education, or forms. Keep your chart open in a separate window to jot quick notes without breaking rapport. Keep an eye on the clock so you can wrap up with clear next steps. After the call, document your session in the client's chart. Complete your note, attach any relevant files, and record homework or follow-up instructions. Mark the appointment as complete and, if applicable, send a follow-up message or a link to book the next session. That's it. You're ready to run telehealth confidently in Jane.